got my own new. Hey, y'all. You know, I'm Valentine's in it. Just Valentine in it until it gets here. So I think there's really no measurements for this. I'm doing a chocolate cherry cordial milkshake. So it really depends on how many you want to serve. So I'm gonna start, and like I said, there's just no measurements on this. I'm gonna start with some chocolate ice cream. And this recipe was originally printed up to be a low-fat. We are not making a low-fat milkshake for Valentine's. That would be
an oxymoron.
An oxymoron, yes. Okay, so this is really, really chocolatey. So how many should I make, y'all?
3.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna put maybe a handful of cherries in there. Maybe that will be enough, maybe it won't. It calls for extra chocolate syrup, but I swear I don't think we're gonna need it, y'all, with this being a chocolate trinity. And I have found that sometimes I will eat a bowl of ice cream at night, and I'll put a sweetener in there to make it sweet rather than adding more sugar. And so I'm gonna give that a twist right now. See, it just gives it that little bit of sweetness that I'm not crazy about adding more sugar. So especially if you were making this a low-cal, using diet ice cream, low-fat milk, and all that stuff, definitely wouldn't want to add sugar. Okay, so here we go. And this is Teresa's. Would you believe I don't even have a blender in this house? Now, it really does depend on how thick you like it. I like mine thick. How about y'all?
Thick.
Y'all, those chocolate chunks in there. Yeah, I mean, they're in there, honey. All right, now, while I've got it open, I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla flavoring. This is good vanilla extract, I'm telling you. A friend of ours made this in Texas and sent it to us. He made it with Tito vodka. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. I just don't want to get it too thin. That might be right on it, y'all. Yeah. You know how chocolate can be kind of bitter, a little bit bitter. So that little pack of sweetener I put on it will kind of cut that. All right, so Eddie, you need to, Teresa, y'all both want one, don't you?
No, I'm fine. I really am fine.
No, you're not fine. Get you a straw, honey. And I ate my cherry. Taste it and tell me if y'all think it needs more of the dark cherries in it. I think it could have stood some more.
Eddie, here's a straw. Taste it. You want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, I think I missed the mark on the frozen cherries.
Oh no, I can taste them.
You can taste it?
Mhm.
Good. So it's all this is just by taste. And don't you think that one pack of artificial sweetener cut that bitterness of the chocolate just a little bit, Eddie?
Yeah.
And it's not overly sweet. So make something good for your sweetheart or your grandchildren or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your lover, your whoever. Whoever you're going to be with on Valentine's Day. And y'all enjoy the day together. Love and best dishes. Yum.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.